secret weapon to build muscle, baby. Just like that, welcome back to the channel, Big Vern's Moto Life. Hustle and muscle every day. You see, I just got finished with my protein shake, but before we get this day started, gonna start off with some positive affirmations. We're gonna throw positive energy out there and we're gonna get it right back. It goes like this. Fellas, everybody, each and every one of you out there, you are loved. You are strong. If you have a problem and life is getting you down, keep fighting. It is gonna turn through and you're gonna get that breakthrough. All right, without further delay, let's get this day started.
It's Feet Kills.
I am getting the Road Glide ready for the winter right now. You see, I've got it up on the jack right now, taking care of a few things. I'm checking all the fluids, making sure everything is ready to go. Guys, since we are here today, let's go ahead and get a start and listen to this, see what it's sounding like today. Man, let's see what we got. All right, sounding so good so far. Let's hit it up. Woo, sounding good right there. And just like that, I am about to get this baby out on the road. Man, it is about around 45 degrees right now. I'm feeling it though. I'm ready to get back on the bike, man. It's been a minute since I've been able to get out here and roll for you guys. So I'm gonna jump out and get a quick ride in. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. I am back, about to hit the streets. This is gonna be the first ride since I installed the Custom Dynamics LED lights. Man, also fellas, we installed those rear view mirrors. We're gonna make sure everything works properly on this ride, just to do a quick check. But man, let's check out what those lights look like in the front. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. Oh my God, I'm excited. Here we go. All right, fellas, are you ready? Let's check it out. Oh my God. Let me know what you think in the comments below. That is blazing right now. Man, it is looking like an amazing light show. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you've got any questions about how to install, drop me a line. I'm always happy to help, but let me know what you think about that. Let's get on this bike and get out of here. All right, fellas, so everything looks pretty good. The rear view mirrors look good. There's not a lot of vibration in there, as you see. So let's get out here and get a ride in.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come.
All right, fellas, man, I am excited tonight. I am enjoying this ride out here on the glide. But man, I am excited. I've got to hit back home in just a few minutes. Fellas, I don't know if you guys out there follow my guy, Everything's Regular, my dude. And what it is he is a guy who gets Harleys from Copart, and they are insurance claim bikes, and he fixes them up, and then he raffles them off and helps people get Harley Davidsons that could never ever afford it. So guys, it is a drawing tonight, and I have entered in the drawing to win a 2018 Road King. So I am going to be doing that tonight. It's going to be awesome. I am enjoying the ride tonight. It is a little brisk out here, but I am feeling great. Man, I am so excited. I want you guys to join me, and we're gonna do the drawing tonight. We're gonna see if we win that bike. I'm probably not gonna win, but I'm excited, man. You guys are gonna come with me. Be my good luck charm. All right, hey, and if there's any content you guys wanna see, definitely let me know. Drop me something in the comments below. I've got a lot coming at you guys over the winter months, but if it's something that you guys wanna see, drop me a line. I would love to put that on and get it going, all right? I am gonna pump this up. I need you guys to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, all right? So you guys can get those videos coming right to you. It is about time to wrap this ride up. It is time to go home for this drawing. Hopefully we can win that 2018 Road King Special. Let's enjoy the rest of this ride. It is time to hit the back cave. Let's get money. I am home, man. I am really impressed with how everything worked out today. The lights look great. The mirrors are in perfect position. Everything feels great. Absolutely loving it. It is time to wrap it up. Let's get inside, fellas, and let's get ready for this drawing tonight. With everything's regular, hopefully we are gonna win that 2018 Road King Special. Yes, sir, I am back, man. I am so pumped up right now, fellas. It is time for the drawing for the 2018 Road King Special. Here, guys, I'm gonna show you how I've got it all set up. You see, I've got my screen here, my iPad, I've got the Chromebook, got my man Everything's Regular in the background. Guys, check his channel out. Right there, Everything's Regular. He is drawing for a 2018 Road King Special, as well as other bikes, man. He's got about 5 or 6 bikes. Also, he's got dually trucks, Silverados, all kinds of stuff he is giving away today, man. I am so excited. Just want a chance to win. Let's turn around real quick. What is my number? 7543. That is my number, 7543. So without further delay, we're gonna get this drawing started. Let's go, Everything's Regular.
Appreciate y'all support. Without you guys, man, none of this stuff would be possible, man. So I just want to personally thank you guys, man. It is time to go. Yeah, it is time to put a smile on somebody's face, man. Who ready?
Like that, I am back. I did not win. I am disappointed. But I'm happy for the cat who did win. My man right here, he won. So, you know what I'm saying? I am happy for my guy. I was excited for it, but it was a chance of a lifetime. I had to get in on it, but I'm still gonna hook up with my man Everything's Regular, guys. If you haven't checked him out, definitely check out the channel, Everything's Regular. Fellas, what is going on? Ready to get this day off to a good start. It is time to get hyped today. It is shoulders. We are about to knock out shoulders real quick. Guys, you see he warming up right there. We're gonna go reverse shrugs and get a nice tweeze in there on those rear delts and those traps, all right? It is time to get started. We're gonna go rear shrugs. Guys, we're gonna do it from the back. Oh, but first and foremost, you guys check out the 330 Muscle Lab. We're gonna start selling that online, so let me know in the comments below if you are digging the logo. So let me know, but let's get started. You guys see right there. Now we're gonna do them a little different here in 330 Muscle. We're gonna bring that out. We're gonna bring it up, squeeze, hold, squeeze. Next up, we're gonna go seated military press. Gonna put a huge load on those front delts right there to build that power and strength to get those boulder shoulders. We're gonna go, first set is 10. Let's get after it. Position those hands nice and tight, nice and even off the top. Nice and clean, smooth. Smooth, nice and clean. Repetitions, about to that chin, right back up, nice explosion. Focusing on those front delts. All right, next up is my man Big L Beezy, about to show him how do we knock out these military shoulder press. Let's go, Bees. Let's go, coach, get it. All right, man, it is time to turn it up a notch. We are about to go reverse shoulder presses, guys. This is all about power and exercise. This exercise is all about building strong, huge shoulders. That's what it's all about today. I'm gonna jump in real quick. Guys, see, I'm gonna start right there. I'm gonna go ahead and stack that out for the first set. So let's go ahead and rock and roll. You see, I'm gonna sit inside, palms up on top. We're just gonna explode up. And a nice smooth pump about, again, to those ears, those shoulders, right about to those ears. Get a good push off on those front delts. Yes, sir.
It's like little bitches like that.
Yes, sir. Well, all about strong and power. I know those guys, you guys got to lift light weights to get cut, but guys, it is also the best way to lift heavy if that's how you want to build muscle and put the cut in there. Let's go. So with every great workout, you're gonna need an even greater finish. I'm gonna pass the torch to Coach. He's gonna rock these front raises and absolutely rip those front delts apart. Let's get that money, Coach. Then I'm gonna go directly to my man LBZ. He's gonna put a combination. He's gonna go front raise as well as side raise. He's not only gonna finish off those front delts, but he's gonna hit those hard to reach side delts. All right, fellas, you see me dripping sweat. The workout is over, but I gotta add one thing. If you've been paying attention to the videos, you know I do those reverse pull-ups to build massive rear traps and rear delts. So we're gonna get after a set. Let's get money. All the way around, yeah. This is the secret weapon to build muscle, baby. Gotta get after these things. Gotta knock it out. And that is a wrap. Guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Got more to go to this day. I'll see you soon. Peace. Yes, sir, and about to leave the gym right now. Gonna get on a virtual ride and talk to you guys. We're gonna have a good day and finish this thing off. I really appreciate everybody out there watching the channel. Stay tuned. I got a lot of things coming up. Let's get on this ride. And just like that, man, the road glide is looking so saucy right now. You see it with the blue jumping off. I am really feeling that color right now. Guys, I am able to be seen by everybody out here when I'm riding at night, but more importantly, the bike looks fire. We are about to jump on and get a virtual ride home today. I really appreciate you coming with me. It is a great November night. Perfect day to get a ride in. So let's get out here and hit these streets. Let's get it done. All right, so what a great night for a virtual ride. Man, it is beautiful out here tonight. So it is time to put a wrap on today's video. But before I go, I want to say, fellas, I really appreciate the support. I need you to tell somebody, to tell somebody, to tell somebody else to like, share, and subscribe. Fellas, don't forget, drop me some comments and some likes on these videos. Let me know you out there. All right, I'm already off to my next adventure. Until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace.
Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back.